Welcome to today's video. This is going to be a quick video. It really applies if you live in California. I think it's a great idea and it just got passed into law now with the new year of January 1st. And so what it is, and I'm going to pronounce the name, I'm going to pronounce it, being Cuban, that's the way we spell lemon. So I hope I got the pronunciation right. But it's Senator Monique Lemon, a Democrat from Santa Barbara, got passed a law that now is already into effect since we're on January 2nd regarding medical bills and your credit report. This is a huge issue because there's three major credit reporting bureaus, right? There's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They've already stopped reporting medical bills, but only up to $500. So if you owe 1,000 or 600, it's going to be listed there. And it never made sense to me. And remember, part of the reason, number one reason people file for bankruptcy is because of medical bills. Number two would be health-related issues. You miss work because you got sick, etc. And number three is divorce. Now, with that in mind, it never made sense to me. And that's why when I started practicing bankruptcy law more than 2 decades ago, I was thinking it doesn't make sense that you're being punished because you got sick. You didn't ask to get sick. And so we're now seeing this different trend in the way that we're treating these issues, whether it's with credit reports, etc., and hopefully health insurance, at least make it more affordable. Because again, you don't ask to get sick. You know, there's certain things you can control. Okay, you lost your job, your car got repossessed, etc. I think we can all agree that should be on your credit report, but not, oh, I got sick, I missed 2 months of work, or even worse, what if you got into a car accident? Not your fault. The other person doesn't have insurance, so there's no point in suing them, and you're the one stuck with all these medical bills. Is it fair that that destroys your credit? You can't get another car, you can't buy another home? Absolutely not. There's no logic to that whatsoever. So this law, which is it's SB 1061, wait, let me make sure, SB 1061 is going to remove that from your credit report. Other states have done the same thing already. I think New York is the other state. I forgot the third one. But this gives you the opportunity to not have your credit affected. Unfortunately, even when I used to do PI work, personal injury work, it was just disgusting and revolting to see that a client got involved in a car accident, not even their fault, and I'm working to settle the cases. But these cases take up to 2 to 3 years to settle. And of course, they have medical bills and it's being reported on their credit report, oh, they're not paying their bills. And it's like, I'm going to pay off all these bills, but I need to. Here's the first problem. Client needs to first stop the treatment, right? They have to be done. The treatments are done. They're okay. Everything is somewhat back to normal. And then once that's done, that I get a final bill from the doctor or whoever, then I can go back to the insurance company and start negotiating settlements. In the meantime, I have clients whose credits are getting destroyed. It makes no sense. But now we see that California, and I hope this becomes a trend with other states, is now saying we're just not going to list it on your credit report at all. All right. So my suggestion, if you're in California and you have medical bills, I read 38% of the residents in California have medical bills listed on their credit report. Give it some time. I'll say give it about 60 days max, and then check your credit report. If you see errors there, dispute it. So that comes off not just medical bills, but anything else. You should always check your credit report regularly. All right. Any questions or comments, let me know. Feel free to visit Bankruptcy.blog for more information. I got plenty of blogs there regarding credit reports and how I improved my credit. All right. Take care. It is the new year. So best wishes for 2025.